This is a wrap-up session to our class. Okay, one minor thing with OS 7. You notice the title bar overlaps the phone status with the time, battery life, and network connection. This is a bug in iOS 7. Apparently the web view overlapping the entire window, basically. There are fixes to this. One fix is to turn off the status bar so it won't interfere with the header. You can find the main file. It's called mainviewcontroller.m in the folder classes. This is basically what controls the app, the main controller, hence the name. You can add this function anywhere. It's called prefer status bar hidden. And you just need to return a boolean yes to the application, and this turns off the status bar. As you can see, the status is gone. Another option is to shift the web view down 20 pixels or so. And you need to stick that in a particular function in the code under web view did finish load. And this code here basically just gets the boundary of the web view, shift the Y origin down 20 pixels, adjust the height -40, and then set the web view to those boundaries. So when I run it, you'll see a gap on the top, basically. This is a hack. I don't think it behaves all that well if the orientation were different. Let's say if you flip your phone sideways, we haven't coded our app to switch orientation, so I guess it doesn't matter all that much. But if you did, though, it might cause some issues. Switch it back. So as you can see, there's a gap here where the status bar should be if I turned it back on. Okay, so I'll post the code for you to mess with. Also, a good wrap-up would be just I'll give you a link to how to publish your app onto the App Store. Fairly intricate. It's the same process as getting a certificate to upload your app into a device. It's the same process. You basically will get a key or certificate to enter into your app. If you click on your mobile, there's a bunch of these settings up here where you can set your icons and whatnot, your target device. This is iOS 5 and so on. Oh, one little thing, in your general settings in the status bar, you could set it to hide during application launch as well with this check, or you could tell it to be translucent or opaque and so on. Okay, so under build settings, you click all here, and you go under code signing, and you under release code signing identity, you basically would choose a device, and under code signing here, under release, you would choose a keychain. This is a previous keychain or certificate that I used. So you can select that, and then you build to an application. So you build for, well, actually, you hit product and build. So when you build things correctly with all the code signing and certificates, you will build out an application. So once you build your app, you could use the application loader to deliver your application to the App Store. You could load it from here with Open Package and then choose your build, or you could do it from Xcode. This application loader here is inside your Xcode folder, by the way, or you could load it from Xcode itself. Okay. Once you upload it, you can manage your app on the website called itunesapple.com or itunesconnectapp.apple.com. So you sign in. This is where you manage your app. You have to do your contracts, taxes, and banking. Basically hooking up if you're selling an application, you have to give your banking information. You check your sales trend, manage your app. So this is where once you upload your app, you have to verify through this panel here. So from here you can set up your price range and all the ad network stuff and gaming center if you're making a game. So that's pretty much it.